Hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create fake WhatsApp chat or how to make fake WhatsApp chat. If you want to do so, just you have to use any kind of web browser. I'm using here a Chrome browser, so I'm going to go here on my Chrome browser. Next, after going there, it's just opening. At the top of the side you have to write down here, that is WhatsApp fake chat. Look at here very carefully. So after typing here WhatsApp fake chat, just click on here, then you will find a number of options, a number of websites for making WhatsApp fake chat. But look at here very carefully, fake info you can see here. So just click on here, then we have come here this overview. You can make here your fake chat. Here is the your targeted person, it is not you. You can find here a layout, that is you can change everything here as like your phone. First of all, select that's which phone you are using, Android or iPhone. Suppose I'm using here Android, so I give here the layout is Android. Then time, you have to change the time. Suppose you talk to your person at 2 a.m. so give here 2. Then select your battery percentage in your phone battery percentage. Select here or put it here. So I give here 74%. Okay, then your person's name, so I'm giving here my person's name, that is just I give here. You can change anything whatever you like, baby Neha, that is I give it here. Then it is status online or offline. We are going to see here online already. Then you have to give here, that is a select image. So I'm going to select an image of this person. Okay, so image is coming and I'm just waiting. So you have to first download image which you want to use. So I have selected an image, then time. Okay, the message, so I'm going to start message. It is not me, it is the first person. So she is saying me, that is how are you. Okay, then text add, look at here. Okay, so now I will text her. So click on here person 2. Okay, now I'm texting her. Then click on here after typing add message. All right, then come here, you can see here that is such thing. Then go back again and click on here person 1. Then type here, then click on, you can see here, then click on person 2, then click on here add message. So everything is done. After chatting here, you can see here preview of this text. See here preview. Then go here at the bottom of the side, you can find here download WhatsApp chat as image. So click on here download. Right now you can see here it's downloading and everything is done. You can find here on your gallery your screenshot. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you feel better. If you feel better, you can see here. So I'm going to open it. Then you can see here this is the chat you have done here.